Yeah, it's cool. You've got your full 360 plane now. You see the wings are showing, all the different parts are showing. But the textures of the plane, the front texture is being disturbed by the texture on the other side of the plane because it's glass, right? So you can see right through. So not only are you seeing one side, you're seeing the other side as well. So how would I handle this? Well, because it's already 360 and the client wanted 360, to handle this, what I would do is I would probably stay away from X-ray in this scenario because of the textures. And I would shoot it from the front using projection. I'm going to shoot it from the front. And I'm also going to shoot it from the back, so whatever's missing gets filled. And I want you to see what it looks just from the front again. Edit geometry, projection, front, save. Okay, go. All right, so that's what we saw there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our settings. We're going to just enable, under projection, we're going to enable back. And I'm only going to have one layer because I just want to suggest that there's something there. I don't want to have the same number of layers as the front because that's what X-ray did. It had the same number of layers. And so therefore they were the same power at the back and the front. I want the front to be more robust, more pronounced than the back. So I'm just going to have it as one layer, and I'm going to put top enabled to one layer and click on go. Okay. And now you can see it a lot more clearly. The back isn't actually canceling out the front. So that's how I would do in this particular case. By the way, this here is a natural shadow, right? Because if the light was coming from the front, then naturally the body of the plane would cast a shadow on the wing. So this is totally okay. It's very natural.